Well guys, here you have another video from Haulover Inlet. This is an early morning capture on the weekday, and also I want to take this opportunity to thank all the people that have left comments on my last video as I asked for. It seems that YouTube is not sharing my content and I've been having trouble getting views. So if you want to help the channel, please leave a comment on this video and I will see you on my next video. So take care and have a great day. Well guys, this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. It was another short video for people to see the channel, and if they enjoy it then they can subscribe. So now thanks to all the supporters of the channel, and I will be bringing you more content this week. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.
One, and how many of the listings actually sold? How many sold? How are you going to find that? I'm telling you, Google it. Look at it. You're the only one that created a system that takes all the data and presents it in a way that the homeowners can see what's the price drop of this